Hello everybody and welcome. Today I want to share with you a new app that I developed, but first I'm going to start from where I actually began this whole journey. This is an outplane app called from Pixel. It's basically exclusive to Google phones. It acts like a Shazam and basically records all the songs that are being played in the background. Problem is, you can't really export the information, and you can choose either Spotify or YouTube to play those songs. And I said to myself, there must be a better way to do this. So I created an app that basically is going to auto scroll for you and capture all the information for you. So let me do that. I'm going to open up wayve. This is going to be, let me clear this up. This is going to be the app itself when it's clean slate. I'm going to settings, hit accessibility permission, hit on, so it will detect what is being displayed on the screen. Choose where to save that JSON file. Yes, use this folder. And then when I hit open now plane, it's going to auto scroll. Okay, you see, I don't even touch the phone. It's just auto scroll by itself. Okay, so I'm going to stop it. Cool. And going back to the library, I'm going to see the captured songs. You see, Apate, Let's Groove, all is there, and it's pretty cool. The only problem is it didn't detected the cover album because it just detected the text itself. And whenever I'm going to pick a player, let's say YouTube, no, I'm going to pick Spotify for this example, because YouTube basically gives me an ad on top, and I don't really like it. So I'm going to hit Spotify, and as you can see, the first result is going to be Apate, which is pretty nice. And then you could remove the song if you want to, or import more JSON files if you want to, and enlarge your playlist. But then I didn't stop there, and I said to myself, okay, I have this nice playlist, but playing one by one of these songs is not really a viable thing. So what I basically did is integrated a Spotify API, which basically allows you to create a playlist to your Spotify. What I basically did is went to Spotify dashboard over here. Let me hit here. Yeah, see it in action. Nope, this is not what I wanted. Yeah, you're going to basically see a create app. You're going to give your app a name, put in all the information, hit Android. It's all listed here. Okay, you hit Android, and then you hit I understand, and you create yourself a new app. And then you would see something like this, which has a client ID and a client secret. Obviously, I'm not going to share it because, it's a secret. But after that, you could just go ahead and create a Spotify playlist, like so. It's going to open up Spotify. Oh, it has 40 tracks. It's going to take a while. But basically, after it has all the information from the library, it's going to export it to Spotify. And then it's going to open up the app. And there you go. And you have all the information and the album art. It's pretty cool. Okay. And another thing that I integrated is Shazam API, which basically gives me the same functionality of the Now plane. What I basically did is went to Rapid API, which is now acquired by Nokia. I search for Shazam API free, like so. And then I'm going to get the API key after you subscribed for the free test. Here you go. You have all the information that you need to get this API key. It's pretty easy. Um, and then whenever you play a song, let me clear everything here. And whenever you play a song like Apartment, I'm going to mute it obviously because I don't want to get a strike from YouTube. But basically, it detected this song, which is pretty nice. Um, and then you could just play around with your own playlist. You could even go ahead and import a JSON file like so. It has all the different songs, okay? And then you could go to analytics and see how many of them are being duplicated or how many songs you've got and how much it's going to take you to actually listen to it all, which is pretty awesome. Uh, and then you could sort it out by artist if you want to, um, or sort it out by album, which I highly doubt. No, I don't have that information of the album for some reason. Uh, but it's going to show an alphabetic, not album. It's a mistake. But whatever, you get my drift. And you can then search for songs if you want to. Because I'm talking, everything is being constantly recorded. So what I like to usually do, not to waste all the API requests, is to just hit permissions and then ask whenever I need it. Okay. So whenever it needs to actually, I need it to record, then I say, okay, while I'm using the app, or do this one more time, do this one-time thing, and then it will detect the background songs, which is pretty nice. Um, and what else could I show you? Oh, and I also integrated a way for you to hide the password and tokens. So whenever you display it to someone else, he's going to see asterisks and not the actual password, which is pretty neat. And that's pretty much it. I hope you like it. Um, Send me your email and I'll add you to the internal test program so you could just download it and play around with it. My only request is that you'll keep this app for 14 days so I'll get enough feedback from you, and hopefully it will go as planned and this will be published to everybody and anyone could enjoy it. And that's pretty much it. You could see also what's new and what was added uh, to the application itself. I also added, I think, some screenshots. Here you go. Some screenshots of the app, just so you could know what you're getting yourself into. All that we've discussed, it's pretty damn easy. And yeah, hopefully it's been beneficial to you. And I'll see you next time. Bye.